The hard day being a cat. Sit on my lazy ass all day. Look at area every once in a while. Occasionally shit on my master's forehead. And the other time I'm just a lazy old cat. I like cats. But you know what the cool thing is? I am the amazing Pussy Monster. I'm so bored right now. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Mostly because I'm a cat. I like cats. You wanna hear a song? Alright. Meow 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 meow. I can't do that song. Meow 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 meow. Man, fuck this shit. Remix. Meow 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 meow.